Alright guys, I'm filming a video. See the snowstorm? Yeah, I think it got pretty high here. It looks lighter than the dark. Like, see, that looks black. That looks more black. See the snow? It looks more dark. Like, literally. Even there, the cars are heating up. Here, I'm gonna walk. Hi. I'm filming a video. Yeah, put it on my YouTube channel. Anyways, let's go over here to the 6 now. I'm gonna walk into. Then you're gonna see me go on the trampoline. I'm wearing my shoes right now. How deep I went. Whoa. You wanna see me fall, guys? Shirt and coat. That makes sense? Wow! Leave it alone! Anyways, I got you wet and snow was on you because I put you on the snow to keep it up. Anyways, let's go to the trampoline now. Blue. There's a trampoline. See, why is there weight on it? I'll show you why. Let's climb up. Look at that. Hey, Blue. Go off it. See these? It's kind of getting hot days now, like warm days and cold days like this. Hold on. Ah, look at that snow. Pure ice. Hold on, wait. Whoa. That's ice right there. There's ice up here. Very hard. Solid. In 3rd grade, I'm learning solid, liquid, and gas. The air is a gas, and the water, a liquid, is a soup. We use water and salt, and oceans are made of water and salt. So, that means the Earth is a soup. Basically, a soup. The water in our earth is a soup. Literally. Like, I don't know what I should do. Oh.